There's a well-known saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. And that's certainly true as far as marketing is concerned. So many businesses just jump straight in and start doing marketing. Or when an advertising salesperson phones in with the most fantastic offer ever, only available today, they say yes and spend money without really thinking how it fits in with what they want to achieve. A marketing action plan pulls everything together. It helps you to plan, control, and keep track of what you're doing. It means you can see your marketing at a glance, which is really useful. How many times have you forgotten exactly how many emails you sent out on that last campaign, or when that online directory entry is due for renewal? And do you always remember to post your news across all your social media platforms, or did Twitter get left out again? A marketing action plan is a practical tool, and it's not set in stone. You can make changes if results are not as expected. For example, if you get better than expected results with one activity, you may decide to rerun that campaign and pull back on something else. And if a new opportunity comes along that is better than the one you had planned, you may decide to adjust your plan to take advantage of it. Like your business plan, your marketing action plan starts with your goals and objectives. What results do you want in your business in the next 12 months? Now break that 12-month goal down into quarterly and monthly targets. Ask yourself how many sales you need to make each week to stay in business. What does this mean in terms of numbers of customers? Once you have these goals in mind, it's easier to plan the marketing activities that are going to bring the right number of customers to your business. Use a template in this module to guide you through the process. It's a good idea to transfer the daily and weekly activities from your marketing action plan into your diary. It doesn't matter whether that's an online diary, an app on your phone, or hard copy traditional diary. Enter each activity as a reminder of what you need to do and when you need to do it. Plan a weekly and monthly review as well. That way you're on top of what's happening and can adjust quickly to make sure you get the results you want. I'd definitely recommend downloading that template now. It'll help you keep on top of your marketing and your business too.